Hello everybody and welcome to RiaceWorks Factory. I'm Alessio. Today I'm going to introduce you to the brand new RiaceWorks Vision Injector, the latest machine in RiaceWorks line. What we wanted to achieve with this new machine is to give to our customer a more versatile machine, an easier to use machine, and a more constant machine. We managed to achieve all these results thanks to two of our most important innovation that we presented in 2024. First of all, I'm talking about the brand new injection block that is called Volcano and the open frame clamp. The brand new injection block, the Volcano, gives this machine a wider range of parameters good for the injection. This means that for the operator will be way easier to find the program to get a perfect result. And this machine will be way less sensitive to external factors like weather, like age of molds, or not skilled operator. So for this reason, the operator will have a very easy to use machine compared to all other machines. How we did it? We did it thanks to a brand new project of the injection block. So we are now installing a single block. The syringe and the cleaning block is now one single piece in a special alloy instead of two pieces assembled together like the older one. We have a brand new syringe with a brand new plunger. So the dimensions, the capacity has been doubled, so from 8 cc to 16 cc, and more advanced shape and more advanced material for this plunger that gives a smoother and more easy movement of the plungers inside the piston. Then we are going to talk about our open frame transversal clamp. This brand new clamp is a brand new project that has the feature of having the right side free to access to the nozzle. Okay, so we have all this space here that is free for the operator to place the mold. This will give a more comfortable movement for the operator, resulting in a faster and easier loading movement. After an all-day injecting, let's say, old-style injection movement can be quite annoying and quite uncomfortable. With this movement, the operator will have more space to move and a more comfortable movement. Another thing that is important to talk about is that these plates that will be 130 per 120 instead of 120 per 90 will have the chance to inject longer molds, longer than the plate. With the standard clamp, with a righty clamp, if you have a mold that is longer than the plate, there is no way you can inject it. With this open frame clamp here, if you have a longer mold, you can inject it. So for this reason, the machine is much more versatile than the standard righty clamp. It is another thing that is important to talk about is the cleaning. I mean, with this part here that is open, if you have some leakage of wax, if you are injecting for wax without the mold, without anything in front, it will be much more easier to clean. So for a standard maintenance, for a standard cleaning, the machine will be much more, let's say, user-friendly. This machine will come with the touchscreen or with the IPC. So the touchscreen is for a customer who is not interested in having the machine connected to the network. and, and are not interested in controlling and managing their production from a remote PC. If the customer is interested in having the machine connected to the network or managing the production from a remote PC or the Industry 4.0, the machine will come with a 10 inches industrial PC that will allow the operator to connect this machine to the network and manage all the things and all the injector from a remote PC. To conclude, we have talked about the brand new injection block. We have talked about the open frame transversal clamp, wider range of injection parameters, longer plates, easier movement. All these features here will guarantee to our customer a more constant machine, easier machine, more versatile machine, and more comfortable machine.